Kisha Borea. Liga. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sunny Mago from Bangar, La Union. I am thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Eliza Kate Ochomo, age 15 years old from San Juan, La Union, and I believe that disability is not a hindrance to follow our dream, and I thank you.
May I introduce myself? My name is G.